Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing, we have a Hot Wheels Team Transport Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3 with the Fleet Street Transport. Let's take a closer look here. Great artwork, IWC Racing, number 68. This is a 2016. Let's unbox it. So it comes extra packaged, which is good. And here we are. So guys, here's the IWC Fleet Street. IWC Racing Works Engineering. Goodyear tires, which is great. Got tires on the top. Got your slicks and your race rain tires. Great tampos, and it's silver, front and back tampos. AMG, IWC, very cool. Here is the car. I'm excited to add this to the collection because I have a Mercedes sitting behind me. IWC Racing, number 68, IWC on a wing right there. What's great about this car is it has the watch on the roof. Very, very cool. IWC is a fantastic watch. Great livery here. Great tampos. All in all, spectacular car. Side exhaust, tampos, 360 around the car. All in all, just a fantastic car. So much detail. Now, I'm not sure if Mini GT did come out with a version of this, but I'd like to see their version as well. Very, very cool. I'm excited to add this guy to the collection. So there we are, IWC. Mercedes-Benz GT3. Thank you guys again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and also check out the website, steverayphotography.com. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.